What's going on, everybody? Welcome to my channel, Testing the Waters with Lane Jackson. Today we are getting ready to hit the creeks. It has been a long time coming. I'm very excited. We got the Hobie Pro Angler suited up, ready to go. We got the leak fixed. I tested out a week ago and it seems to be fine. So we'll get the ultimate test today. I plan on fishing the outgoing tide and fishing the incoming tide. Today the target species is redfish, flounder, trout, pretty much whatever will bite. And I also have some mud minnows just in case we need those for desperate moments. All right, so with that being said, I'm gonna quit talking and we're gonna go ahead and get in the water. All right, everyone, so we're pushing up into this creek. Probably got about 5-7 minutes to get up in there. Tide is going out, so I'm going against the tide right now, but I'm trying to get to this creek because I want to fish it. To a certain point, you got to really hit it hard. So I'm trying to get to the mouth of this creek so that way I can catch everything coming out. So making our way there. Today we're going to use a combination of artificials. Start off with artificials, and then we're gonna see if we need to switch to live bait. I have a dozen minnows, mud minnows, so we'll use those as well. But other than that, water temperature right now 72, 71 degrees. Right now I'm in 13 feet of water, which is pretty deep, but when this creek we get into, it's gonna get super shallow. So just gotta get around this bend. And yeah. All right, y'all, so before I push any further up in this creek, we're gonna go ahead and cast on this bend right here, see if we get anything. I'm using the Texas Eye jig head. This is my first time using the weedless setup. This is 3/16 ounce, and then we have the Slam Shady paddle tail from Z-Man, but created, I believe, by Salt Straw. So let's see if we get any hits. Cast right up in here. Full of reds hanging out over here. And I was trying to get the bite, so I'm just gonna ease up close, see if I can see him again. And then I'm gonna anchor if I do see him. See anything? I think I spooked him when I was trying to get that snag out, man. So I'm gonna anchor down right here. I'm gonna anchor to catch. All right. We're anchored down, y'all. Yeah, there's a big fat red right here. Ooh, he's a monster. Let's see if I can get him to bite. Just ease down. Jesus, he was huge, y'all. Definitely overslot. Dang, he was huge, like a submarine. I may need to switch to a voodoo shrimp, just bounce it, something that. Oh, fish on, fish on. We got one. There we go. He hit. All right, just gonna fight him. There's a lot of oysters here, so I'm not gonna put too much pressure on him. coming up. He's right by the kayak. Yeah, I don't want to put too much. Loosen the drag a little bit. Yeah, he's a big one. I'm not trying to put a lot of pressure on him because there's a lot of oysters in here. And yo, it feels so good. Look at the size of this thing, yo. It feels so good. Whew. He's a monster. Got the drag run a little bit. Just try not to break them off. Going onto the kayak. We didn't get my fins. Oh. All right. I think he's about tired. All right, got the net. Tank. There we go, y'all. Got him in the kayak. Yes, sir. All right. Woo, woo. Look at here, y'all. Look at here. He's definitely way over slot. Definitely trying to get this big fella. There we have it, y'all. Jesus, he's a big, healthy fish. Big, hardy fish. So let's get a quick measurement and get this guy back in the water because he's definitely over slot. Gotta check the time. Can't even grab him. Alright, hold on. All right, he is 27 and a half inches. Here we have it. Fix this camera again. Y'all bear with me. 27 and a half inch redfish. Bit on the Texas Eye 3/16 Slam Shady. So we're gonna go ahead and get him off the hook, get him back in the water. Woolly mammoths in here, bro. All right, y'all. So we went around, explored, found a school of reds way back in the creek. I couldn't get them to bite on nothing, so came back here to the spot. See if we can get some fish for dinner. Oh man, we caught a flounder, y'all. Oh, right here by the boat. I didn't even have the camera on. He hit hard. I thought I had snagged. Oh, this is probably the biggest flounder I've caught in a while. Get him. So I was reeling it real slow on the bottom. Here you guys have it. Nice size flounder. Let's get a measurement on him real quick. He look like he's, I think the new legal limit's 16 to keep him. He looks a little shy of that, but this is the biggest one I've caught in a while. I was just talking to my coworker the other day about how the flounders, all the flounders I've been catching have been so small, man. So there you guys have it. He is about 14 and a half. So that's the biggest one I've caught in a very, very long time. We're gonna go ahead and get this guy off the hook and get him back in the water. All right, everyone, so we're gonna go ahead and wrap up this video. It's been a great day. I had an amazing day on the water. It's been a long time. It feels good. It felt great. Caught 2 fish today. I saw a school of redfish that I was trying my hardest to catch. They were swimming by the kayak. I've never seen anything like this in my life, and I threw everything at them, but they would not bite. But in conclusion, today we caught that 27-inch red, which hit and fought really well. And they were at the end of the trip, after I got back from exploring and trying to find areas of fish, caught that flounder, in which I didn't have my GoPro running, but I caught that flounder right at the last minute before I was picking the lure up off the bottom. And he was about 14 and a half inches. That's the biggest flounder I ever caught in my life. And that's to be dead honest with you guys. But with that being said, man, today has been awesome. Tomorrow I'm going right back at it. I'm very excited. I'm gonna go home, spend some time with my wife, my child. I missed them a lot. I'm not even gonna lie. I'm hungry. And then we're gonna reset, get back on the water tomorrow, and hopefully tomorrow we can get some fish for the dinner plate. So if you guys enjoyed this video, make sure you rate, subscribe, comment. Stay tuned for more videos on the way. And until next time, y'all, peace.